Hey guys, welcome back. In today's episode, we're going to be learning how to code. Of course, I'm no expert, but I can show you some things what I know. And today we're going to be learning Pascal, the coding language, using Delphi 2010 or Delphi 10.3 or 10.4, whatever version you have. The links will be down in the description, so click on it and get it, and let's start coding. So the first thing we're going to do is, wait one second. First thing, it'll come up with a screen like this. Click File, New, VCR Forms application. Okay, and it come up with a screen like this. Then go down here to Tool Palette, and we're going to search for BU, and see it says T button. So click it, and click it over here on the screen. Put it anywhere you want. It's fine. Now we're going to be learning to name variables. So this thing here, this block where it says form 1, that's our form 1. That's the caption of it. Of course you can change the caption. That just changes the name here. So let's name it to welcome. So now we have welcome at the top. But we're also going to be changing the name of it to FRM welcome. FRM is short for frame, so we put that. And then now we're going to be naming the button. So instead of saying button 1, we say BTN enter, and we're going to be naming the caption that as well. Or the caption we're going to be naming is enter. So name it as enter. Now we're going to be double clicking the enter button, and we're going to be making our first lines of code. So basically we're going to be using show message. That'll bring up a on-screen prompt. So we type SOHW and press Control space, and it brings up a list like this, and continue to type SME, and as you see, show message has come, the procedure. We're going to need a constant message, also known as a string, and we're going to have to put in brackets. So click that, it'll bring up the brackets, put a single quote, type hello world, end your quote, and now press F9 to run the program. As you see, we have our welcome screen here. Press enter. Hello world. Yay, we did it together. So that's one thing. So this is only show message, using show message. So that will be our first lesson. I know it's short. Of course I'm going to teach you further, but I don't know all, so I'll be able to help you, and we'll be doing projects together, and that's cool. So hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share, comment, and let me know how these lessons are going. Tell me if I want to change anything about it. Thank you. I'll see you next time in the next lesson and the next video. Goodbye.